Hey y'all, so I'm gonna just hop straight into the video. Okay, for all my natural girls, you're probably going to blow dry your hair before doing this hairstyle. Okay, so I just opened up all the bags of hair and laid it out into even sections. That way each braid can be around the same size. And I used about 4 bags in total. And you can see I already started on my head. I was just trying to see if it was possible for me to do it first before I actually started recording the video. Alright, so now I'm just going to try to section off a little box, and I'm going to measure it with the comb to make sure that it's the same size on each side, because I don't know, the front has to be perfect to me, otherwise I can't be out here looking a mess. And the edge control I'm going to be using today is the Edge Booster by Style Factor. I believe that this is the blueberry fragrant. But yeah, there's a lot of pros and cons to this edge control. You're going to see a con in a minute. And I'm just going to take that amount and I'm just going to put it right along my edges. And with this edge control, you want to make sure that you brush it in really well. Otherwise, you'll have like residue everywhere. Okay, and right here that you'll see that I'm separating that one section into 2 sections. And I'm just going to clip one side up. Now I'm going to grab one of the Kanekalon sections that I already sectioned off. That's around the amount I'm using. And you might want to split it in half to adjust the length. And this is another very important part. Make sure that it's either feathered or frayed or whatever you want to call it. Because if you don't do this step, your braid would have no ending, and it will just have, you'll have to put rubber bands at the end. That way it will just so it can stay. So yeah, you want to make sure you do it, and you don't want to grab too much at once. Just grab like little strings and pull them down a little at a time, but make sure you do a little at a time. Okay, so now you're just going to put it in between those 2 sections that we sectioned off earlier. Now you want to take those 2 sections and rubber band them together. Okay, and right here I'm just going to split those little ponytails into 2, and I'm going to put it into each section. And then you want to start to twist the hair together. You can't really tell what I'm doing on this part, but I will have a closer up clip of me later on. You see that white residue? See, that's what you don't want. So make sure you brush in the edge control. Okay, and as you can see here, I'm just going to split that one section into 2. And I'm literally just going to place the Kanekalon hair in between both sections, as you can see here. And I'm just going to add it back together and close it in with a rubber band to secure the Kanekalon hair. And as you can see here, things start getting a little bit messy. But luckily my boyfriend was here to help me out. Aw, he's so helpful. And this part should be a little easier to see now. Okay, so you can see that I have both sections in each hand. Now I'm just going to twist the I'm just going to twist both sections in towards each other. And after they get twisted together, then you twist both sections together, if that makes sense. Now I'm just going to put castor oil on top of that residue because I can't be walking around looking crusty, you know. Now you just got to secure the ends to make sure the braids doesn't unravel. And then you all done. And I guess I can show you how my twists look after 2 rough weeks. Okay, so this is actually a 3-week update on these braids. So I'm just going to tell you a little bit about like what they've been through and how they're maintaining, you know. So I've been to Miami, I fell in the water, hair got soaking wet, real hair tried to revert back to its natural state. My hair been through a lot basically. But I would have to say like overall after all it's been through, me sweating and falling into water and having to wash the water out and doing the most really, I feel like these braids held up pretty well. And it's like, yeah, you can see my natural hair coming through them a little bit, but it's okay. Like nobody's gonna pay attention to hard. I'm gonna take these out probably tomorrow anyway, so it really doesn't matter. Oh, and if you're a beginner, I would highly recommend that you do the rubber band method. This method saved my life. I don't know how many braids I got in my head, but this rubber band method saved my life at least 20 times. You know, so it took me 9 hours to do my hair. 9 hours to do my hair. So, you know, once I got towards the front, I started getting a little lazy. Even though that's the part I should have been like the most careful with. But it's like, I don't know if you can tell off, I can't know if you can tell on camera, but like some of them tried to start unraveling. Like this one, it tried. But luckily, the rubber band was here to catch it, so it didn't come out. If you don't know what you're doing all the way, and you don't want to be losing no weave as you walking down the beach or wherever you're going, do this rubber band method. No hair pulled out with this method, because I know some people probably pull their hair out, but that's because they do it too tight. But I'm like, you know your edges, and you know what your edges can hold, so that's your fault. But yeah. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope that this video was helpful to at least one person. I always go to YouTube when I need help for something, so if I can be help to anyone, that would make me like really happy. So let me know if you recreate this hairstyle, and if you do, make sure you DM me on Instagram a picture of your hair so I can see it, because I would really love to see how it looks, especially since you follow my tutorial. So yeah, that would be really like amazing to me to see I'm helping people out. So let me know and DM me, and you know, we can talk about it. Yeah, but I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you check out some more videos on my channel. I'll see you later. Bye.